buying a kayak was not as simple a task as what I thought it was going to be. So many considerations, things that I hadn't thought about before. What you intend to use them for, where you're going to store them, and all these, and transportation in particular. Looking at an inflatable, it seemed to cover so many of those points. Storage, roll it up, store it in the garage, leave it in the car, it's there. A lot of people make the comments about moving away from the hard shell because of the weight and lifting it up onto the cars. They're moving towards the inflatable because they are so much lighter and easy to inflate and deflate. The Oz Inflatable website showed so many videos and so many frequently asked questions, and there was so much information there. It was so helpful, and the questions that I had, Emily and the team were very quick to respond with the answers. And I would suggest to anybody that is thinking or even toying with the idea to really give inflatable kayaks some serious consideration. They're not all the toy type vessels that you see for kids. They're a serious bit of kit, and I wouldn't hesitate in recommending going with an inflatable at all. So